Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a memory spread with you in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner, the older layout for the week of September the 30th through October the 6th. The gorgeous kit I just showed you is from Paper Muse Crafts. It is her Hello Fall kit. It is in rose gold foil. It is a 3-page mini kit. She does also offer a functional add-on page as well as foiled bow headers, but I did not pick up either of those two, so this is just the basic 3-page kit, and it ends up being the perfect amount of stickers. I did just use the washi that came with the kit because I thought it was cute. I love the woods with the rose gold falling leaves in that bottom washi. It is stunning, and the bow washi that she has with it matches perfectly. I also showed you a handful of headers because I wasn't sure which ones I wanted to pull in. The kit did come with pattern headers, which I use. Then the other headers are like the today to do headers, which I don't use in my memory spread. So I pull in, what you see me laying down here are some pink foiled headers from Cozy Paper Co. A shop, I was going to say on Etsy, but she's not on Etsy. It's an independent shop. She has epic $1 Wednesdays. If you've watched any of my Plan With Me's, you have heard me mention her. I do get a lot of functional stickers from her, like headers and date covers. I also pull in some gray glitter headers from Jump To It Design, and I alternate the patterned headers. So those are the 3 headers that I use. And I am not a fan of patterned headers. I definitely don't like how they look on top of a full box, but I really don't like how they look underneath a full box either. And looking at my spread, I wish that I had just alternated the pink glitter header with the gray glitter header. I think that would have looked really pretty. Or done like the top plane with gray and the middle plane with pink. That would have probably looked good too. And because I haven't mastered how to lay down and alternate the headers, I kind of jack it up. But I do go back and fix it, so please don't let that stress you out. I do white out the dates at the top because the date covers I use are white with rose gold. They're also from Cozy Paper Co. They're actually a freebie that I got with one of my orders. And the rose gold date dots I use are from Dash of Sun Design. The bottom washi does come with a sidebar extender, so I use that in the sidebar because I like how that looks. I usually do that if there's an option to do that. I use the Hello Fall box, full box for the sidebar, obviously. And I pull in some more headers from Cozy Paper Co. They're white with rose gold foil, and I use those as dividers. I use both habit trackers from the kit, one to track my workouts and one to track low carb. I pull in a this week header from the kit to lay on top of the sidebar tracker, and then I wrap up the sidebar with a piece of patterned cut washi from the kit. My fidelity review for this report office is Wednesday, and so most of this week was spent prepping for it and trying to get everything finalized. So for Monday morning, the first thing I wanted to mark was our treatment team meeting. I use a rose gold coffee cup from Shop Villa Beautiful. On Mondays, I usually have lunch with my girlfriend Wendy. I pulled in a quarter box from Cozy Paper and a foiled bow from Sarah Elizabeth Prince to mark that. That afternoon, I had a management meeting, so I pulled in a foiled flag from Cozy Paper, as well as a custom script from Nicole Hutch Design. Later, I did finish editing and posted, my September haul. So I use a post script and a YouTube icon from Sarah Elizabeth Prince to mark that. For picking up my daughter's prescriptions. I use a prescription bottle from GP Sticker Studio. And finally, for some laundry that evening, I use a washing machine icon from Scribble Prints Go to mark washing and folding. For Tuesday morning, we had our team meeting at Strong's. So we had a working breakfast meeting. I use a breakfast date script from Scribble Prints Go and a Addie girl reading a book to mark that morning meeting. I also spent most of the day doing fidelity prep, so I pull in a folder icon from Ginger Cat Co. to mark that. And the last thing I had to do at work that day was an assessment. I pull in a quarter box from Cozy Paper and a laptop icon from Crafts by Towie. When I got home, I did not do anything except watch Netflix, so I pull in a Netflix binge sticker from Ginger Cat Co. And that popcorn icon is from White Deer Stationery. I also laid down a little divider from Sadie Stickers, but I'm not sure if I do it on camera or if it's off camera, but you will see it when I show you the final spread. For Wednesday, I had to work in the Ruston office, so I pulled in a car icon from GP Sticker Studio. My team meeting was via conference call, so I used a half box from the kit and a cell phone icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that. For Wednesday afternoon, I did more chart audits, which are so much fun. I used a custom script from Ginger Cat Co. to mark the chart audits. And the final thing I mark on Wednesday is that it was my coworker's last day. I finally got to use a salty Once More with Love Munchkin. The sticker's so cute. And this is the first time I'm getting to pull one into a spread, but my coworker put in her 2-week notice and was told that she could just go ahead and leave at the end of the day. So super salty. So that was her last day, and I hated to see her go. For Thursday morning, I had to submit the revised agenda for the Fidelity review, and I used a really cute bow paperclip icon from Planning World to mark that. The rest of the day was spent prepping for the review, so I used a little girl character sticker who's working from Whimsical Cat Studio. Yeah, I'm using words. I'm trying to put them together in a sentence. For that afternoon, I just chilled out. I do use a teacup icon from Sarah Elizabeth Prince to mark that I relaxed. Also took some Instapics. I cannot remember where the Instagram icon is from. I'm sorry. I also placed an order for some new light bulbs and a few other things from Amazon, so I use a shopping bag icon from Crafts by Towie to mark my Amazon order. For Friday, payday, I'll pull in another flag from Cozy Paper Co. with a payday script from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And I mess up on the next sticker that I lay down, but I'm marking my final chart reviews. I end up just marking it with a bow from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, which is also where that weekend banner you just saw me lay down is from. Not banner, but script. For Friday afternoon, I also marked doing my nails with a icon from Crafts by Towie. I filmed my daily plan with me because it is so relaxing to me. I pull in a planner icon from Ginger Cat Co. to mark filming my daily plan with me. Spent about 20 minutes at the gym, so I used a quarter box from Cozy Paper Co. and that workout icon is from GP Sticker Studio. For Saturday, I filmed most of the plan with me that you're watching now, and I pulled in a washi icon from Crafts by Towie. I worked out at home. I did some Pilates, so I use a dumbbell sticker from Cozy Paper Co. from one of her samplers. And the workout script that I use is from Sticky Essentials. It's in black. I also spent some time organizing my drawers. I just finished my closet, so now I'm on to my drawers. I use a declutter script from Scribble Prints Co. and a little house icon also from Scribble Prints Co. For Saturday evening, I worked on lesson planning, so I pulled in a laptop. It was leftover deco from a Jump to It design kit. I later come back and also mark paying the bills for Saturday. I use a bill due icon from GP Sticker Studio to mark it. For Sunday, I worked on math lessons. I use a half box from Cozy Paper Co. and a laptop icon from also from Cozy Paper Co. from that same sampler sheet. For laundry, I use a laundry time script from Scribble Prints Go. And I start to use a Dash of Sun Design laundry basket, but the rose golds do not match. So I pull in a laundry basket from the Cozy Paper Co. sampler. And it's actually in pink foil, but it matches the Scribble Prints Co. rose gold perfect. And the final thing that I mark for Sunday is watching YouTube Plan With Me's and hauls. The YouTube script that I use is from Scribble Prints Co. And the YouTube icon is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I do not have a lot of rose gold, so I apologize for repeating like the same 4 shops. Though all the stickers are really cute, I just don't have a large selection of rose gold to pull from. The last thing that I do is I go back through and pull in some rose gold twinkle like accent stickers from Scribble Prints Co. And I place those down on pretty much any icon that doesn't already have foil. And I end up filling in my sidebar off camera, but I do show it to you in my final spread. And because it goes kind of quick once I show you the final spread, I then also turn down the exposure so that you can see the foil. And when the exposure is lower, you can definitely see the foil better. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.